What is up, Facebook land? Let's see if anyone tunes in. Right now, I am doing AV Educate Workbox Challenge. I was challenged by Omar, so Omar, this one's for you. We're going to go through my workbox. I'll show you everything I carry. I am an audio engineer, primarily for live music. I don't do a ton of corporate. I do a lot of rock, and don't mind my little one playing in the background. Do a lot of rock music, concerts, festivals. There's my little Mush. Everyone say hi, Mush. Don't mind the kids. Like I said, I do audio, primarily live music. Don't do a lot of corporate. So this is what I carry every day. Let's just get into it. First off, I have a Apache 8500. It is the same size as a Pelican, but a little bit cheaper, which is why I have it. It does have wheels and a big handle. Can be a carry-on on a flight. Inside, just foam on top. I don't have the cool divider here. Do have a hole cut out of my foam because I normally have a light there, but my light broke, so I just have a hole. Start with my PC. This is a Surface Pro, and then I also have a Mac M1. Could do a bunch of things. I do wireless workbench, records, smart system tuning, time aligning, amp control, all of that on my computers. Charger, Cat 5 cable to connect into anything I need to network, amps, wireless workbench, headlamp. This is just a cheap one. It is an Energizer one. Had it for a couple years. Been great. It's awesome. Alright. These are my IEMs that I use. They are West Tone Mach 50s. Spare cable, spare ear tips, USB-C to headphone adapter, stays in here, comes in this cool little case. I keep all of my stuff pretty much organized in pouches. I find that to be the easiest way for me. So we'll go through some of the pouches. Once again, this is for AV Educate and the Workbox Challenge, Omar. Big pouch here. Playback cable, XLR to 1/4 inch. These are all my cables for smart, USB, extra charger, power cables, miscellaneous audio stuff there. Basically playback, smart, and power. In this pouch, work gloves, cheap pair, keep them in case you gotta load. Neon gaff. Network switch, 5-port. I need a bigger one. That's all I got. Power cables in the big pouch. Headphones. I use Audio-Technica MX50s. Over ears. When I don't use my in-ears, front of house, I use over ears. This pouch right here is 4 terabyte hard drive, bunch of thumb drives for when I'm doing records or if I need to save show files or anything like that, goes on here, and all my thumb drives and stuff stay together. I also have another like 20 somewhere in my house. Aspirin. Lock for my Pelican when I'm flying, TSA approved lock. Next pouch, my favorite thing in the world, my kids' wife will tell you, Sharpies. Every color, fine tip, not fine tip, waterproof Sharpie, Sharpies. These things are like gold. I carry a Bosch laser disto for when I'm flying PA. I can check, or when I'm tuning a PA. It's not the most expensive one, but it does the job. See, little digital face tells you how far Very handy if you're doing anything with PA. You need to figure out distance for timing or for height of your arrays. So keep that in here. Next pouch is just a couple of dongles. Get another pouch. These are actually dollar store pouches for binders for pencils, but they work. So USB-C dongle with RJ45, HDMI, a couple USB ports. This is just USB to RJ45. I have another one that's USB to RJ45 and a couple of USB. This is HDMI to USB-C if I want to add another screen to my setup, and then an HDMI or USB 2 to USB-C adapter. I don't know why I have that, but it's there. Let's see what else is next. My other work glove that's not where it's supposed to be. Talkback microphone, switched mic. I use it for talk to stage or shout, calm. I like to have my own mic because it's nice to have your own mic. Let's see, I got another phone charger piece. Mini mic stand. Carry with me. It's either good for my talkback mic, or if I need to set up my smart rig in front of house, I carry a DBX mic that I use to tune and time PAs, so it can live in front of house on this little stand, doesn't take up any real estate. I think I got this stand at Five Below. Random pen that fell out. I have another pouch from the dollar store. This has XLR turnarounds, both directions, a couple of Y cables, XLR Y cables, adapter, and that's pretty much it for this pouch. And I have this pouch, which has spare IEMs that I use, Shure 425, Shure 415s, pair of KZs, spare cable for all those. And this thing's cool. I never get to use it because I don't do corporate. This is a lav bullet. It's a weight to help mic your talent. You don't have to put your hand up their shirt. So that lives in here. And best thing I own, custom molded earplugs. If you don't have them, go get them. That lives in my backup ears. And my last pouch, I have a simple wall tester to see if there's power. I have a mini screwdriver kit with a bunch of little adapters, tweezers. This thing comes in super handy. Cheap power cable or power tester. It's not great. It was cheap. It does the job. I wouldn't trust it for true voltage, but it lets me know if there's continuity and if the power's close. SPL meter. Again, it's a cheap one. It's about 6 dB off. I know that, so I can use it. I would never let anyone else use it because it is not fully calibrated. And I carry a DI with me just in case, playback music, anything like that. I have a DI. I also carry a 4-channel audio interface. This is the Behringer 404 HD. It's 4 in, 4 out. I use it for smart. I can also use it to 2-channel record if I'm on a console that doesn't have digital recording. I can take a 2-track into that, get someone at least a copy of the show. And then the most important thing I carry with me, if you guys follow me on any socials, you have seen the world famous Ribbit the Sound Frog. This is my console buddy. This was made by my kids. He's been at every show I've been at since, I don't know, probably 6 or 7 years. Everyone needs a console buddy, especially when you're on tour. This helps miss home a little bit, or not miss home a little bit. The little things that, make life a little better. And that is pretty much everything I carry. So that's my work box. I challenge you guys to show your work boxes for AV Educate, and hopefully I can win a better Pelican. But until then, happy learning. AV Educate, Omar and team, keep doing what you're doing because it's awesome. See you guys soon. Safe gigging.